Welcome to the Changemaker series, Voices from Save the Child Foundation. I'm Surabhi Khanal, the Creative and Communications Director, where I use impactful storytelling and meaningful communication to uplift marginalized communities. Today, we're thrilled to have Lavanya Gudeli, the inspiring founder of Be the Change in Hyderabad. What's remarkable is that Lavanya began her nonprofit journey as a young teenager, proving that age is no barrier to leadership. Beyond her own organization, she's been a valued collaborator with Save the Child Foundation India, contributing to impactful projects that align with our shared mission. Lavanya, welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Surabhi. It's so privileged to be here.
Thank you for making the time for us and sharing your story with us.
Anything for a cause.
Thank you so much. So, you started Be the Change at a very young age. What sparked that idea, and how did you overcome the doubts and challenges as a young founder?
Yes, absolutely. So when I was pursuing my graduation, approx 18 or 19 years age, I started this organization, Be the Change. So I was really inspired by a philosophy of one statement. I want to quote that: aspire to inspire before you expire. Like, I always believe that we have very short life. So whether you are a rich person, poor person, male, female, irrespective of gender, your position, status, what you are going to do better in your life, which helps you to get inspired and also inspire people around you. So that is my life funda philosophy. With that, while I was pursuing my graduation, I wanted to do something for the society, but I don't know what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do. So all this how, what, when, why questions arises, but only I always believe your passion should dominate your fears. So passion in me always dominates fears in me. So I started Be the Change in my in my engineering BTech second year. So it's not a easy journey. It's always challenging me physically, mentally, financially, societal pressure. There are lot many things, but at the end, if I can add value to the one person lives, that's what makes a difference. That really worth all the challenges which I've been through. So I always believe in aspire to inspire before you expect. That is a major life philosophy which always motivate day in and day out. Me to do something great, something extraordinary, something inspiring, something impactful every day, and help others. Which also help me to improve myself every day.
Yeah, it's beautiful the way you put it, no? Like, it's beautiful. Why the name Be the Change?
So actually, it's a famous Gandhian quote: "Be the change that you wanted to see in the world." So
Okay.
from that, I really got inspired, and I've taken two words: "Be the change." And also, my personal philosophy is that before you teaching others, there is another statement also: walk the talk. Like, whatever you
Yes.
teach is, you have to live by that.
Yes.
So be the change. First of all, you have to be that change. Then only you can able to go to the world and show the people that this is the change you have to follow. So I really want to be that change. So I named it as a Be the Change.
Okay, that's really inspiring.
Thank you.
Okay, so your organization has collaborated with Save the Child Foundation India on several initiatives. Can you share how this partnership began and what projects you worked together with?
So first of all, I would like to take two names before I explain my experience of working or being a collaborator of Save the Child Foundation. I really thank Ravi Kantamsetti sir and Sunanda Surya ma'am for giving me opportunity. It's been 5+ years I've been knowing them in personal friend also. They are so generous, so inspiring me. They're like father and mother figure to me. So working with them, it always it always inspires me more. Like, I'm already self-motivated person, but working with the like-minded people, it enables path for you, right path for you. So it's been all since 2019 I've been working with Save the Child Foundation, and also I'm active part of Save the Child India with Sunanda Surya garu. It's been a great journey, I can say, like working with paripads, working with, working for slum areas. We have done a lot of activities, let's say grocery distributions, stationery distribution in slum education centers, and also menstrual health and hygiene. We do a seasonal courses. We also work with CSR, thing. So only one thing I can say, that whatever passion you have, you need somebody to help you out to get that opportunity, get that platform to showcase your talent, your passion, whether it is a cause also. So Ravi Bhaiya and Sunanda Akka have been great inspiration again and again and again. I can't thank enough. Like they are like father and mother to me. They always, if I share some cause, they never say no. So you need people in your life who never say no to you. So I'm really, really grateful for the opportunity, and Save the Child India, coming to the Save the Child India, whether it is paripads, groceries distribution, paying examination fees for the underprivileged community, providing basic necessity things for the underprivileged community. Let's say there are many causes. So there are many causes that Save the Child India have been actively working. I'm so blessed to be a part of it. Take active participation in that. I'm looking forward to the more projects where I can, just utilize my skills, time for the good, greater causes.
Thank you so much. So since you've been working with us for such a long time, what do you think has been the most meaningful lesson or takeaway by working with Save the Child Foundation, and how has it influenced your approach to social change?
Exactly. So I was a teenager when I was associated with Save the Child. So the founder themselves inspired me a lot, Ravi Bhaiya and Sunanda Akka. They are very generous people. So I learned, if you achieve greater heights also, you need to be very humble. That the one thing I learned from
Yes.
Ravi Bhaiya and Sunanda Akka. They achieved a lot, still they're so down to earth people. So that is a major outcome, major takeaway, if you can ask me. That is a one life lesson. Whatever heights you've been reached, you have to ground
Stay
it.
on the ground.
That is a
Yes.
one thing I learned. Second thing is that nothing is impossible. You have to always keep your mind so positive. You have to look forward to the opportunities. You should not give up. Never giving up nature. I learned by associating with the Save the Child. These are the two core values. I already have it, but again, working with them, I started improving these core values, core ethics that I had. So it's really a blessed journey, I can say. So Save the Child always been supporting young girls. This statement I should appreciate entire Save the Child, whether it is USA team or India team. They're helping young girls. This is really needed in India. If you can see, if a girl educated, if she wants to achieve her dreams, like coming out from the, let's say, if you can take my journey, I hail from a very underprivileged community, like very village background. Now if I can look back my journey, like I don't have any clue how come I came this far. So since 2019, Ravi Bhaiya and Sunanda Akka entirely Save the Child helped me to make this path easy for me, so that I can do more for the society. So these kind of torch barriers, or these kind of people you need in the life. So Save the Child really focusing on young girls, giving them opportunity, giving them space, giving them helping them to know who they are actually. So that is really appreciated. Every person, irrespective of gender, should think in that way, like, because anyways girls have a lot more challenges, lot more
Yes.
obstacles in the
Yes.
like traditional society. So we need these kind of supporters organizations, so that more Lavanyas, more Surabhis evolve. They'll come forward and lighten up the society.
Yes. It also means that when you have connections or network with the right kind of people, it pushes you, who pushes you to do better. You create some kind of synergy, and maybe with that kind of motivation and encouragement, you like make 10 times more impact. You have
Exactly.
that energy, no? So
Exactly.
that's understandable. A core focus of both your work and Save the Child Foundations is uplifting marginalized communities, focusing on girl child. Could you share a story where this collaboration created a tangible impact?
Exactly. So I can share a lot more about Paripads. I've been closely working with Paripad since 2019. So it may not be accurate figure, but almost about 10,000, 20,000 pads have been distributed. Personally, I've been part of many Paripad distribution drives. I've been to
Yes.
orphan homes, slum areas, colleges. I've been to private colleges, government colleges, villages. Like the impact is it's like the impact is like enlightening more people.
Mm.
So I've been doing surveys also. Like in the beginning of the journey, we used to go to slum areas. We used to understand what is their understanding of menstrual hygiene, what is their understanding about period, what is their understanding about health and hygiene. But unfortunately, though we are in a 5G 6G generation, like technology has been rapidly
Mm.
increasing, rapidly developing, but still there are people in the city. My active participation in Hyderabad city only, my active focus area. So I've been working with the one particular slum. I've been going there every month, once in a month, twice in a month. So I started understanding their idea of period, their idea of menstrual health. Nobody knows what's the sanitary pad. So nobody knows how they can keep themselves clean and hygiene while the period is going on. So I started helping at least few young girls, helping them to learn and understand. We also started giving them pads for free every month. We have given them hundreds of pads for free because they can't afford. So
Yes.
it's so emotional. Like, Pari pads is really creating a change. Like, girls are unable to afford these pads. This is really serious matter. This is a
Yes.
global issue, but this is a very serious matter. Like Paripads coming forward, I myself send pads to many villages. I feel so blessed because many girls, young girls or middle-aged women, working women, homemaker, they're using Paripad. Like they're unable, due to their economical background, due to their lack of awareness, they're unable to get the pads. So we like Paripads bridging the gap between these women, menstrual, like it's really creating a lot of enlightenment in the women and helping them to understand, yes, I should take care of myself. There is a saying, if women can be empowered, all
So
society,
that,
house,
yeah.
world, whatever it is, can be really empowered.
Yeah.
So I can share a story of, like, I used to go to this particular slum area. So there was a woman who has given birth to a little baby. They were in a hut, so they don't have any like hygiene kits, or they don't have any nutrition thing. She doesn't even have a cloth to, after the women give a birth to the baby, so again period cycle
Yes.
starts. So I was just randomly talking to that woman. So we have given them a pack of pads. She asked, can I get 5 more, because I'm getting a lot of bleeding.
Bleeding.
So I
Yes.
felt so emotional. Like, basic health is the basic need, basic right of a woman.
Yes.
Now, I'm not judging, I'm not questioning governments, but where are we heading? Like, people has to understand, if women is unable to get a basic rights for their health or education, economic thing, where are we heading? Like, where are the crores of funds that central or state government putting for the women and child development? That's not my concept. But again, I felt so emotional. Then we have given them almost 10 plus packets for free so that she can use 3 more months. So Pari pads being a really great light, in the lives of the women who is really suffering and unable to understand the concept of period and hygiene. So it's a great testimony, I can
Mm,
say.
yes. Yeah, well, what was inspiring was, and last year, um, Save the Child India, with the collaboration with Be the Change and the team members, we distributed 80,000 pads alone in that year. So that
Wow.
was a big thing for
Wow.
us to be something like really proud of, that we touched the lives of so many people.
Wonderful.
Yes. So I think that is also one of the big impacts that we've made when we put things in number.
Yes.
Yes. And thank you for putting it in the like story. It's such a beautiful story. I know it's just one story, but I think there are like thousands of other
Exactly.
stories
Exactly.
which hasn't reached the people and the government itself. Yeah, when basic right is hindered, it's difficult for them, for a woman to take another step towards development when
Exactly.
they're struggling with basic needs only.
Exactly.
So I think Save the Child India, working with Be the Change and other organization and its team members, is creating very good impact. Yes. So looking ahead, how do you hope to deepen your collaboration with Save the Child Foundation or other partners? And what's next for Be the Change?
Yes. So I always believe that when team of like-minded people working together, they can create massive impact. So I'm really looking forward, towards, like, whether it is paripads or education, whatever sector it is. I really want to contribute my skills and time, not just taking. I'm also really want to like extend my support, also being a collaborator. That is one part. Second part is that it's a vast subject. If you can take menstrual health and if you can take education, but Save the Child really doing massive impact already. So still there are some areas that we need to focus. So I really want to recommend those areas to the respective Save the Child team. And also coming back to the Be the Change part, so my passion is always lies between mental health and also spirituality. So currently I'm doing a little bit of research how spirituality, mental health, combining, how we can empower people. So my next project will be, it's my passion project. I really want to work with people minds, because if your mind in, if you set your mind in the right way, you can create wonders. So
Yes.
at the end, how much ever you achieve, how much ever causes you've been part of, peace of mind is very important.
Yes.
That satisfaction is very important. You have to answer yourself that yes, I've done this thing right today, I'm so happy. I need not to have crores of amount in my account. If I go back to the zero also, will I be happy? So what is the existence of this life? What is the existence of my being? So I'm really
Purpose.
passionate about these things. So I'm doing this kind of little bit of research, so that I can talk about more about spirituality, mental health, and also neuroplasticity. There are science based stories also. So it takes time, but I really want to put myself as a coach, because it's been 6 years. It's a great journey. I've seen a lot of setbacks. I myself cried a lot. I'm a silent sufferer actually. I don't tell that people I'm suffering. But the unique part is that I don't sit and cry for longer time. If I cry one day, the next day I'll be on my toes. So
Yes.
I developed that kind of nature. So I want people to understand that life is not just about gaining jobs, getting married, having kids, going abroad, blah blah blah. Life is more than that. Your being, your purpose, your calling would be extraordinary if you can understand that part. So dedicating, next phase of my life towards spirituality and mental health.
That's so beautiful, and we're really looking forward to your new project, and we wish you really well.
Thank you.
So that was it for today. Thank you so much, Lavanya, for taking the time and coming here and sharing your stories with us. I think it not only inspires me, it's going to inspire a lot of people who are going to watch this and amplify our voices that way. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the questions are really inspiring, which enable me to answer in a way that everybody gets inspired. And my heartfelt thanks to Save the Child Foundation, Ravi Bhaiya, Sunandak, and all the team members, because keep doing. World needs more of kind people.
Yes.
So always be the change.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.